Good morning everyone. Today I will teach math subject for standard first. Today we are going to discuss about chapter number 6, that is shapes in that part 4. Okay. This is practice time 5. Practice time 5. Okay. Practice time 5. Dear students, open your textbook page number 150 and note down these all points. See here, practice time 5. First one, tick right mark the object that can only roll in these objects. Instead of that objects diagrams, I written here names. Okay, and not drawn diagrams, I written here names. Just see, tick right mark the objects that can only roll. Which one object is rolling, that can one you have to tick right mark and cross out wrong the object that can only slide. Okay, circle the object that can both roll and slide. Before this, what is rolling and what is sliding? See here, this is one of the chalk piece. See here, if you push this chalk piece, that takes roll, means that going one place to another place, that object which can roll, that you call rolling object. If you push duster, okay, if you push duster, that time that object can slide when you push them. This object is sliding. If like this object is there, like this duster, that object you call sliding. And if rolling means chalk piece, for example wall you take, if you push them, that time that object will take roll. Okay, that object which can roll when you push them. Simply what rolling means? What? There are some objects which can roll when you push them. Some objects are there which can roll when you push them, such as ball, chalk piece, like this. And sliding object means what? Sliding object means some objects are there which can slide when you push them. When you push them, that time that objects can slide, such as book, pencil box, duster, like this, for example. Okay, now like that only you have to first tick right mark the object that can only roll. Only roll. Rolling object is there means you have to put right mark, and sliding object is there means you have to put cross mark, and both circle the object that can both roll and slide. First one is tomato is there, that is rolling object or sliding. If you push that tomato, that time that tomato can roll. So you have to write here right mark. Next, compass box, that is sliding, means put cross mark. Box, this is also sliding, means put box. Key, that is also sliding. Bottle, see here, water bottle, if you keep like this bottle and push, that time that bottle will slide. And if you kept like this and pushed, that time that will take roll, means bottle is both roll and slide, means here put circle bottle. Next, ball is rolling, means put right mark. Potato, this is also rolling. Carrot also rolling. Bucket, if you kept bucket like this and pushed, that time that is sliding. And if you kept like this and you pushed, that time that bucket will take roll. So bucket will come both roll and slide. So you have to circle this one. Okay. Next, here completes your 6th chapter shapes. Next I will go through seventh one chapter patterns. Seventh one chapter patterns. Patterns. Seventh one chapter is patterns. Pattern means what? One type of design. Simply you remember it. Patterns means what? One type of design. You see now in your dress, sari, bed sheet, blanket, okay, in that all one type of design is there. That only you call patterns. That only what? One type of design you call patterns. See here, first one, warm up. Bruto, the rat has eaten a part of Fabina's dress. Circle its matching part. See here, in your textbook, just see here. The rat has eaten a part of Fabina's dress. Here Fabina's dress is there. One part is eaten rat. Okay. Which is matching? Its matching part. In these three, which one is matched here? First one is correct? No. Second one? Yes. Second one is matched part. So you have to circle it, second one. And third one? No. That is wrong. So you have to write here. First one. Here star is there in this dress part, and here circle, triangle, and one more. Okay. See, in these three parts, which one is matched here? Second one. So you have to circle it. Next, second one, tick right mark the correct image to extend the patterns. See here, first one is book, pen, book, pen, book, pen. After pen, which one will come? Book. So, right here, here book is there, no? And one circle is there, so just right mark, put there right mark. Book, pen, book, pen, book, pen. After pen, book will come. So you have to put here right mark. Next, plate, plate, cup, plate, cup. Next one, which one will come? Plate. So you have to put here right mark. Below the plate, you have to put here right mark. Okay, put here right mark, plate. Next, draw and color the complete the patterns. Means next one, which one pattern will come? Just draw and color it. Third one, question. Flower, next leaf, again flower, leaf, next flower and leaf. So next one, which one will come? Flower, leaf, flower, leaf, flower, leaf. Next one is flower. So in this box, you have to draw here flower and color it. Okay, color it. Next, circle, square, triangle, circle, square, triangle. So next one is, which one object will come? Circle, square, triangle, circle, square, triangle. Next one is what? Circle. Next one is circle. Draw circle and color it here. Next, practice time 1. Next, practice time 1. Ring the object that continue to form a pattern. Ring the object that continue to form the pattern. Page number 156, open it and note it. See here, ring the object that continues to form a pattern. First one is duck is there, okay, and this is one toy. You just think one toy, duck, toy, duck, toy. Next one, which one will come after toy? Here comes duck. So ring the object that continue to form is, first one you have to circle the duck. Next, insects are there. First one is bee, okay. Second one is another insect. See here, which one will come after one bee? Two snails are there. 1, 2, after bee will come. Means second one is what? Bee. Second one is bee. Next, third one. Just wait, I will draw diagrams only. So next one is what comes here? Duck. So here duck is there. Just you have to circle it, that. Circle it this. Next. Next one, after this, which one will come? B. So, draw here. Already in your textbook is there, just you have to circle that. Next. After this, which one diagram will come? These two are same and this is one different. Again these two same and this is different. So next one will come this one diagram. So you have to draw here. Next one diagram is which one will come? just circle this. Next, last one. See next one, apple, flower, 2 flowers, again apple, 2 flowers. So next one is apple. Next one is apple. And circle this apple. See here, first one diagram, duck, second one is this bee, third one is this diagram, fourth one is apple. Okay, circle it. And next, second one, draw and color the next 2 shapes to extend the patterns. Second one question. Second one, in that first one, rectangle, oval, rectangle, oval, rectangle. So next shape is which one? See here, rectangle, oval, rectangle, oval. Next, rectangle, oval. So draw here oval. After oval, again rectangle. Next, this is one type of shape. Otherwise you take, if you taken like this, just that is looking like square. Okay. Now after these 2 shapes, one triangle, again 2 shapes. After these 2 shapes, which one will come? Next one, triangle. After triangle, one more this shape will come. Next, triangle. This is one type of design. Again triangle. So next one, triangle, 2 shapes. Again triangle, one is there, so another one you have to draw here. Next one shape is this. After this, again triangle will come. After this, again triangle will come. Next, see here, these 2 small shapes are there. Again this one is bigger. Again 2 small shapes. After that, one is bigger. And after this, again one small. Okay, understand no? Patterns means complete that design. Rectangle, oval, rectangle, oval, rectangle, oval, rectangle, like this. Continue it. Okay, you have to complete like this. Till today I will stop here only, and in next class I will teach increasing and decreasing patterns. Okay, bye.